With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question here says which of the following is the correct description of the follicular phase of the menstrual cycle. While we see menstrual cycle, it starts at puberty, and these are the cyclical changes which occurs in the glandular epithelium of the uterus, that is the endometrium. Right? So here we see that this is divided into 4 phases. The first, day 1 to day 5, is the menstrual phase where the bleeding occurs. So day 1 to day 5, under the effect of the FSH hormone, there will be start of a new follicle development. Then followed by this, the day 6 to 13 will be the proliferative phase, because there is proliferation of the endometrium taking place. Along with this, there is a formation of a new follicle at a very fast rate. So this is also called as a follicular phase. Now this follicle will fully develop at day 13th of this phase, and on the day 14th, which is the ovulatory phase, under the effect of the FSH and the LH hormone, this Graafian follicle, that is a mature follicle, will rupture to release the ovum, and this is called as a ovulation. So this is ovulation. So here we see that from day 15th to day 28th, the Graafian follicle has ruptured, while the remains of the Graafian follicle forms a body which is called as a corpus luteum. Now this corpus luteum secretes large amount of progesterone. Now progesterone will help in the maintenance of the endometrium lining, and this phase is also called as a secretory phase because of the high secretory activities of the uterus. So let's see the options which are given. The first statement says primary follicle in the ovary grows to become a fully mature Graafian follicle. This is the right statement. And simultaneously, endometrium of the uterus regenerates to proliferation. This is also a true statement. Whereas the second statement says that the corpus luteum secretes large amount of progesterone, which is essential for the maintenance of the endometrium. Remember, this is not a stage which occurs in the follicular phase. Corpus luteum is formed during the the luteal phase or the secretory phase. So this statement here is the false statement. Third says both LH and FSH attain a peak at about 10th day. Remember, this is not the 10th day. This occurs in the mid cycle, that means in a 28-day cycle. It will be on the 14th day of the menstrual cycle, that is mid cycle. This leads to the rupture of the Graafian follicle. So this is again a false statement, while the fourth statement says that the changes in the ovary and uterus are induced by changes in the levels of the adrenal gland. Adrenal gland has no function here. It will be because of the changes in the pituitary gland. So the hormones released by the pituitary gland, that is the gonadotropins, which are FSH and LH, are responsible for changes in the ovary and the uterus. So the only right statement here which we can find is statement number 1, which is a true statement. So option number 1 becomes the right answer for this question. This is all about this query. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.